Hey, how's it going? So today we're going over a mixture of Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban and Grimace. All right, let's get started. Very simple, very easy combination. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with curve over here for the top of the head. It's gonna be kind of Grimace feature right there. Okay, it's gonna be a very Grimace-y feature. Pulling down a little bit more. Down a little bit more here. And I'm gonna throw a line out for a Jumbo Josh feature, which is the giant arms. Curve over here underneath. So we're gonna go out over here the exact same way. Pull down. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like, the Grimace stuff or Jumbo Josh or Garten of Banban. Absolutely hit the like. It helps the algorithm out when you do. It's like a huge gift. Huge gift. Alright, go over here. So, let's go over here now. Down for the center of the body. Kind of torso. Same thing right here. And curve up here, line, curve up here for the legs, right? The legs are really simplistic, little marshmallow legs. Alright, let's go over here now. And I'm going to pull up a little bit more on this armpit because as it hits the top of the arm, it's pretty small, I would say. It's pretty small compared to how big the arm gets over here. Curve down over here, line up, line here. Curve down over here, line in here for, again, like that fist that he is making. Right on. Okay, pretty quick. So let's get into the Grimace features. All right, so right here, first off, the mouth. Got like a cleft in his chin, in his lip. It's like a fly around here. Ah. All right. And curve underneath, up. Line, line. And we're going to draw a line down here for Grimace's tongue. But I'm also going to do this. I'm going to throw some teeth here like Jumbo Josh has. He has these like U-shaped teeth. Alright. I'm going to fill in the back of the mouth here where it's dark. Right on. Gonna go over here now and put a circle here for one eye. Circle here for the other eye. Another Grimace feature would be his lazy, like he's got these lazy eyes. Right there, line across, so like, ooh, hey, what's up? I don't know how Grimace's voice is, right? I forgot from the commercial. Dot, dot. All right here. Whew. Excuse me. Line underneath the mouth here. So what am I missing right here, right? As far as Grimace goes, what is missing? The eyebrows. There's a caterpillar right there. Caterpillar right there. And let's have the shake. Right there, square. Another square here. Line right here for the straw sticking out. Maybe like a wavy line right there. Right on. And we're not done yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a thick line around the entire border of him. And the reason I like doing that is because I like the way characters look when they have this. Makes it look like a sticker, makes it look more affirmative, makes it look just makes it look a lot better in my opinion. Right on. Curve over here. But yeah, don't forget, by the way, I draw a drawing lesson every single day of the week, and I'm going to go live during the weekends. I don't have a schedule for the weekends yet, but If you have any suggestions of what you want to see over the weekend, I will do it. Just, you know, stick around. I'm working on a drawing program right now that I'm going to throw onto the website. And yeah, this is good practice too, by the way. Just kind of going right here and tracing that line. Kind of gives your hand some control, and that's kind of a big thing you need to work on, is kind of the control of your drawing. One thing I tell everybody to do, by the way, is you should be drawing every day a little bit, even if it's 20 minutes a day, because the more you draw, the easier it will be. In the beginning, you're like, oh man, I have to grab my sketchbook and paper and blah blah. You know, the more you do it, the less energy you're going to use on thinking about it, on having to do that. You're going to be more like, oh, I you know, it's just going to be instant. Boom, you know, I have my sketchbook, just start drawing, instead of, you know, forcing yourself. Let's draw some little thin areas right here for, like, I'm going to draw a little thin line for style, usually around corners, small areas like that, very thin. You want to make it thinner than the stuff around it, so that it is, you know, understandable. Line here, line here, line over here, line over here. You just want to make it thin and easy. Line over here, line over here, line around the corner. Cool. And just kind of like, again, those are stylized lines to kind of show off like shape and form, and just kind of give it a little bit of this extra mild detail, right? As much as you can, like with Grimace and Jumbo Josh. Let's draw a thick line around this too. But yeah, really, really fun. All right, right here. Gonna draw a fanciful shape around that, so it's more obvious. There you go. Well, anyways, hopefully you had an okay time. Hopefully you had a fun time. And I want to thank you very much. It's fun to do these and give me more ideas on characters to mix together, and I will do it. Okay, art addicts, last thing, go check out the description. There's a lot of free stuff for you there. There's a free ebook on how to draw something cute. There is a lot of detail that you can get from that. Go take a look, and I will talk to you in the next video. All right, see you soon, and I'll talk to you later.